You'll find the windshield wiper washer lever to the right of the steering wheel. Turn the end of the lever to the first position for intermittent wipers. Turn it to the second position for low-speed wipers. Rotate the end of the lever upward to the third position for high-speed wipers. For a single wiping cycle, push the lever up to the mist position and release. To activate the front washer spray, pull and hold the lever toward you. The spray will stop when you release the lever. Turn the center ring to activate the rear window wiper, if equipped. Push the wiper lever forward to activate the rear window washer. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.